everybody, welcome to another video, and good afternoon from Bangalore, India. I've been here for a few days just visiting a friend, but I was just gonna walk around my local neighborhood. It's called KORAMANGALA. I'm at my hostel right now. It's 450 rupees a night, which is approximately $6.32 US. So relatively cheap. Bangalore is kind of the IT capital of India, kind of like Silicon Valley. But I came here maybe, I don't know, 5 days ago, just to visit a friend. I haven't actually gone to see any of the main tourist sites in the area. Just been hanging out this local neighborhood, KORAMANGALA. There's definitely a lot of good food here. South Indian food is pretty amazing. Also been using a site called Swiggy, which is like a food delivery service. You order whichever foods you want from the local restaurants, and then they deliver it for a small fee. Similar to Food Panda, which we used to use in Taiwan. This restaurant's super popular right here, Centaur, and it's pretty cheap as well. It's classic Indian food, and everything there is pretty much under $1, or close to $1 for the most part. Watch where you step in India. They're doing a lot of road construction in this area, and I think they're building a metro, like an above ground metro through here. So walking around the streets, it's a little hectic. You have to be careful where you're going, but still, it's a really nice neighborhood. Saw somebody get in a Cody accident this morning. Looked like they tore up their leg pretty good. Here's my grocery store. I'm gonna grab a couple things real quick. So I just stopped off and got a few snacks. I got Happy Fizz, which is just like a carbonated apple juice. Basically sugar water, but I like it. I got 2 Cat Cat bars. I got some dehydrated masala spiced banana chips, which I really like, and a couple of pieces of cheese for a cheese sandwich later. And all that cost 160 rupees, which is about $2.24. Yeah, this neighborhood right here is super nice, super quiet. I mean, if it wasn't for the signs written in Hindi and some of the architecture, I would just think it was somewhere in the West, US or Canada or something. And of course the Hindi temple right here throws it off as well. Every part of India is different. Culture is different, the language is different, the architecture is different, the food's different. This tuk-tuk's seen better days. Taco Bell across the street, and KFC. No, thank you. Ice cream, dosa sounds good. Although I usually have dosa for breakfast. Ooh, momo. Sorry. Momo is one of my favorites. Wow, momo. So this is junk food, but I got veg momos and like a veg momo kind of burger and then a Pepsi, all for 210 rupees, which is about $3 US, $2.95, something like that. So just stopped off at a health food store and I got myself some ginger. This cost me 26 rupees, which is about 36 cents US. This would be a place to come do my Tai Chi in the morning. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. I've been in India for at least 2 months so far, 2.5 months, and every single ATM that I've gone to, every single time, he gives me 2,000 rupee notes, which is like the biggest note they have that I've ever seen. 2,000 rupees, that's like about maybe $30 US or something, approximately. It's impossible to break a 2,000 rupee note. You have to either be at a hotel or at a fancy restaurant. Nobody's gonna have change for you. So it's pretty hard to get rid of. And they're always curious, they're always wondering if it's fake. Sometimes they don't accept them if it has a little bit of like handwriting or a little rip or something. They won't accept it. But this ATM right here, it gave me all 500s and 100s. Hot chips. Came here the other day. It's where you get dehydrated, you know, your typical potato chips. This is cool. Potato chips, banana chips, peanuts, things like that. Different flavors, regular, salted, pepper, masala. Pepper, momos again, Darjeeling momos. So I just got hit in the chest with a cricket ball. And I'm glad I wasn't filming because he hit me right where I'm holding my camera right now, so that would have been no bueno. Oh, here we are. So I stopped off and got a glass of Minari for 60 rupees, a little less than $1. It's like a Indian sarsaparilla, and then it's sweetened with jaggery, which is like a cane syrup concoction. Believe it or not, I actually almost got hit by a second cricket ball just a few minutes later. I was walking by this field and they hit one out of the park. And I went to the street and I went and grabbed it and tossed it back over for him. So this little park is right near my hostel. I think I'll go grab my book and come back here. So I'm just hanging out here in the park. Got my lemon ginger water, snack, book. It's about 27 degrees right now and I just got off the phone with my friend in Kathmandu and they're freezing up there right now. They have their parkas and their hats and their gloves and everything on. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little tour of Bangalore, India, and I'll see you guys next time.